In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create a class conversation. Class conversations are really useful for if you want to have students share their own opinions or thoughts on a specific topic or question, and students can also give feedback or respond to those. To do this, all you need to do is open up your Google Classroom page, go to Classwork on the top navigation bar, then go to the orange Create button. Then what we need to do is go to Question. If you click or tap on it, all you need to do from there is create a question title, and then if you want to share some instructions on how they respond, you can do so. I'm going to leave this section blank. What you need to do is make sure that short answer is selected instead of multiple choice. Multiple choice is the equivalent of having a quiz question. If you want a conversation to start, however, you want a short answer. The only other setting that I'd recommend changing is students can edit their answer, which is towards the bottom of the right-hand side. This means that students can change their answer if they require afterwards, if they want to change their opinion or whatever. Then to set it, all you need to do is click Ask at the top right. So now let's have a look at it from a student's perspective. To answer the questions, all they need to do is click or tap onto the assignment like they would normally do. And this time, instead of attach items, you'll see this box here, which is replaced with your answer. Here they can share their opinion or their answer to the question. Then what they need to do is click Hand in underneath. And since we selected the option they can edit afterwards, all they need to do is click or tap on Edit, and then they can change their answer. But they need to make sure afterwards that they click Hand in again to update it. Then what they can do is they can see their classmates' answers. To do this, all they need to do is click or tap on the button underneath with a picture of the little boy that says See Classmates' Answers. Then the students can see all of the responses to the question. And if they want to, they can also reply to each other and share their opinion on whether they agree or disagree, or if you want to share whether they got the question right or wrong.